All right, so we're gonna do climate today. So you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need to have this open, right, which is the map, and you're gonna need to have the actual lab open, okay? So basically, right, we're gonna look at climate and all the patterns, so you're gonna have to take into consideration the factors like elevation and everything else, right? Well, you're gonna have to, in order to do procedure A, you're gonna have to look at this map and figure out which factor, which of the 6 factors that we learned about in class are going to affect the ones that are the same color, right? Which are also listed here. Okay, so obviously like A to B, C to D, so on and so forth, right? Obviously, C to D is going to be elevation. How do we know? Because C is at the sea level and D is in the mountains. So therefore, that's going to be the factor that affects this. Before you can go any further with the lab, you have to have me check your answers to this. Now, I'm just going to tell you, you have 1 wrong. You have 2 wrong. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which ones they are. So you need to figure out which factor goes with each of them. Then from there, okay, and I believe the factors are listed here, and they're also listed in your, right here, latitude, elevation, ocean current, nearness to a large body of water, mountain ranges, and prevailing winds. Okay, from there, once I have checked that, you are going to write down in here, what is the climate factor? What should be the climate and why? Okay, for each of them, for each location. Then you are just going to answer this one question. That is all. That is the whole lab. Okay, that's why I was able to teach first period and then this. So what you guys are going to do is, like I said, you're going to use the map, which is what you're going to take your selfie with, okay, to figure out these 6 climate factors, what they should be, and once you think you have them correct, you get my attention and I check them. But you cannot move on until you have all 6 factors in the correct spot. Do you guys have any questions? This is a short and sweet and to the point lab. Nobody has any questions? All right, get started.